Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and dive into the thrilling world of Forex trading? Today, we're giving you the ultimate beginner's guide to Forex trading right here on Bybit. Making that dream a reality first, head to Bybit.com and create an account if you haven't already. The links in the description. Make sure to complete the KYC verification as well. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Derivatives tab. Then, select Perpetual and Futures here. You'll find a huge selection of trading pairs. Explore popular Forex pairs like EUR, USD, GBP USD, or USD, JPY. These represent the exchange rate between two currencies. Choose a pair you want to trade, but do your research beforehand. Now, the fun part, in the trading panel, you can select your order type, like market for immediate execution, or limit to set a specific entry price. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Bybit allows you to use leverage, amplifying your potential profits, but also your risks. Start with lower leverage like 5x or 10x until you get the hang of things. Then, carefully enter the amount you want to trade and click either buy, long if you think the price will go up, or sell, short if you think it will go down. And there you have it. You've placed your first Forex trade on Bybit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start small, manage your risk wisely, and keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe for more Bybit tutorials and trading tips.